I feel like people might have. Oh, this is disappearing. Oh no! Oh no! 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 Oh! Oh! No! 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 Why? Why did I do that? Stop whatever it is you're doing right now, because. Well, actually, no, because you're watching this video. Don't stop this video. Keep watching it. You're in for a treat. I promise you. Roblox has finally added something unbelievable. And no, I'm not talking about more developer support. And no, I'm not talking about fixing their search engine. No, 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 no. None of that stuff. Even better. And what I'm talking about, my friends, is this crab. Look at it. Oh, it's so precious. Oh, his little glasses. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce you to Pinchy the Crab.
It is Wednesday, my dudes.
I love it. I love it so much. Little Pinchy, how's it going, man? Now, quick, guys, before you dislike this video and unsubscribe and report me, we're not getting rid of Sir Meows a lot. It's okay. Pinchy isn't replacing anybody. I figured it was about time Sir Meows could use a friend. Because you know what? He hates most things. But maybe finally we can put a smile on that kitty's face. Speaking of which, kitty of the day, ladies and gentlemen, the kitty of the day today is this little bitty pretty kid behind his little plant here. Oh, so cute. I just love it so much. We're kind of catching up. We're on November 2nd now. Another, like, 3 months and then we'll be up to date. All right, guys, we gotta introduce Pinchy to Sir Meows a lot. Okay, I really want to try to get them to be friends. Sir Meows a lot, I've got a surprise for you. Sir Meows a lot, I got someone that I want you to meet.
Meow meow.
I know you don't like meeting people, but trust me, come on, Sir Meows a lot, just give it a shot.
Meow meow meow.
Sir Meows a lot, I'd like you to meet Pinchy.
NANI?! お前はもう死んでいる。
Well, Sir Meows a lot, I hope you're happy. We're in prison now for murder. Why can't you have any friends? What was wrong with Pinchy?
Meow meow. Meow 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 meow.
How did he cross you? He's a crab. Well, you know what? Fine. Well, let's just... What? Oh, hey. Who's this guy over here?
Escape through here.
Okay, thanks, man. I'll do my best. This worked out way too conveniently for us. We really shouldn't be getting away this easy. So we're going into... Wait a second. So we're just in the vents? There's vents connected to cells. What? Oh, okay, that explains it. There's just all this goop everywhere. Okay. Hey, so this is the... Oh, wow. Oh, man. I've never seen an obby put that much detail into a sleeping guard. That's great. But what is this stuff? What was that man drinking? Weird. Okay, well. Nice. Great jumps. Great jumps, Roblox. Here we go. I got this. Okay. Oh, wow. Are we doing some limbo? Is that what we're doing limbo in here? Oh, whoa. I actually didn't really think that would work. Oh man, look at that. You don't even have to jump. It's an obby where, well, technically an obby doesn't actually fully entail jumping. You know, it's an obstacle course. So that's, why did I die? Hello? Oh, you're supposed to, but that doesn't make any sense. Oh, this is it's flooded. Okay. Fine. Here we go. Again, I don't know why the flood would kill me. But you know what? It's whatever. Oh wow. Okay, things are taking a turn. I also didn't know that they used just elevators like this in prison. Where are we? You can't even. That's the cafeteria. This is a very strangely built building. I don't know how I feel about it. Oh, you can't just jump down. I hate when they do this. It's such a tease. It seems so easy to just jump down and get it over with. You just gotta walk around. Oh, because it's actually an obstacle. Never mind. Of course, they wouldn't let you just skip the obby. Okay. I don't know why things are on fire, but I mean, I guess it has something to do with the crashed elevator, maybe. But this has nothing to do with the elevator. What is happening? What is happening to this prison? We were put into a prison that is in mid chaos. What is this? What are we This is the most confusing obby ever. It isn't obvious what any of this stuff is. Why are we hopping over it? Usually an obby kind of tries to make sense. Is this dirt? Well, we can't touch dirt. We don't like getting dirty. Okay. I mean, I guess. I mean, we're in a prison though. For crying out loud. Oh, no! Ooh, I never die this much in obbies. That's not true, actually. That's a complete lie. All right, here we go. Not making the same mistake again. I'm gonna follow this guy. He seems to know what he's doing. Oh, no! He pushed me down! All right, here we go. Speed run. 360. Oh, yes. Oh, so powerful. Okay. Here we go. I feel like I've already been here. What? Are we going backwards? We definitely just did this. They literally just reused this. Oh, because wait, they literally just reused this room. Except made us go backwards through it. Unless I'm wrong. I don't think I am. All right, here we go. See, this is a little more obvious. I mean, again, I don't really know what the red is supposed to be. I mean, I guess it's never really explained in most obbies. But it is a prison obby. They could have at least... Oh, come on. No, please. Why? How old is this obby, actually? When was this made? Well, we go ahead there and check. This was made and created 2015. Wow. Okay, never mind. Take back everything I said. For 2015, this was probably a pretty sweet obby. It was pretty lit. You know what I'm saying. All right, here we go. Oh, yeah, just like that. And then a little bit of a 360 right there. Don't mind if I do. Oh, the platforms. It wasn't so bad. More of them. Okay, I mean, fine. It was made in 2015, but, like, they could be a little bit more creative, you know? Like, they could have put a part of the obby where you were required to 360. Yeah, boy. All right, here we go. Excuse me, madam. I'm going to take a little bit shortcut here. Okay. I wonder, though, can I... what was that guy doing? Okay. I like the ones where you can just like skip half of it and just jump to the next part. What is this? Can I? Oh. Okay. All right. Here we go. So I need, wait, can I do camera trick? Camera trick? Yes! Purple! We're going purple, and then we'll go in purple again? No. Okay, we're going red. All right. Oh. Wow. Okay. Oh my goodness, can we just run forwards and we'll make through? We're gonna make it through. Oh! Wow! That was fantastic. I feel like people might have... Oh, this is disappearing. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Why? Why did I do that? I was right there. It's okay. It's fine. It's fine. Everything's... Don't tell... Okay, I was looking the wrong way. We're good. There we go. Okay. This one would have been interesting if they made it way more, what's the word? Narrow. That's it. Skinny. This little skinny path. Because then it would have been just like those tightrope ones, but even more challenging, you know? Changing the game. Even though, I mean, that one was pretty cool. You don't really see that too often, but then, again, you got these orbs that just keep popping up. We just had to do the 360 at the end there. Oh, wait a second. Yes, very good. Okay, man, I really need a stretch. Hold on, I'm not kidding. Oh, this part of my back really hurts. Why? Ow. Maybe I just like slept in a really bad position. Oh wow, I don't know. All right, well, wish me luck, guys. If there's no video tomorrow, I'm probably dead from throwing out overthrown. What's the term? Overthrowing your back? Is that it? Throwing out? I don't know. I'm probably dead or just in bed. Probably just resting. Oh wait, was that an invisible path? Oh, okay, never mind. All right, here we go. More red lines, lots of these. That's fine. Okay. This is all just the same stuff, but I mean now all of a sudden it's blood for some reason. Okay. Now this is getting tricky. So now it's the axes and the red lines. Next thing, there's going to be red orbs with axes that disappear, and they're somehow tight ropes. That's my guess. Here we go. Oh wow, this is getting kind of intense. Good thing I'm sick at hobbies. Am I right, guys? Leave a like if you. Maybe I should take some improv classes. That would probably help with my humor. Okay. Oh, wow, whoa. Okay, that was close. Can I just walk across this? Kind of. No, not kind of at all. Okay. All right. I'm pretty ready to destroy this obby. Oh, why am I skipping them? I don't know. Too ambitious. No. We'll skip that last one, though. Oh, we gotta run. Oh! I like it. You know what? I take back a lot of what I said about this obby. You know, they are changing up like a decent amount. You know, I think what they're doing is just they're trying to extend the game time of said obby by, you know, reusing some obstacles and stuff, which is fine, I guess, I suppose. You know, but what I do like at least is they are, you know, there's some weird new stuff. Did I just push that guy off the edge? I am incredibly sorry about that. XXX extension cables. Okay, there we go. Okay, and I don't know how we got here. That wasn't really explained at all. We came out of the wall. Maybe the last part of the obby should have been going through a wall. But, you know, that's fine. I'm not going to question it. 2015, guys. It was made in 2015. You jump down this path to freedom. Okay, thanks, dude. I don't even know your name, but you are the reason we escaped prison. So thank you. Thanks for that. And that was... Are you serious? That was unnecessary. I guess you just drive the car around for fun. All right. Well, you guys know the drill. You get the blue path, and then you go outside. You make something pretty. Hold on. I feel like this isn't usually how... Oh, I'm supposed to be jumping. Right. There we go. Oh, just abstract art. Maybe. I don't know. Ladies and gentlemen, on that note, I would like to thank you so much for joining me for another Roblox adventure. If you enjoyed, please remember to leave the video a like, maybe even subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And other than that, actually, you know, on the topic of Sir Meows a lot, because we love him so much, and even though it's very difficult to find him friends and put a big smile on his face, you can try for yourself with the Sir Meows Love plushie. Oh, look how cute he is. Oh my goodness, and he just sits so perfectly just like that. You can get him at DenisDaily.com, link in the description below. But other than that, guys, again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.